Representatives of the Nigeria Union of Teachers from the 21 local government areas of Adamawa State are not happy with their inclusion in the calls for local government autonomy. They took to the streets of the state capital asking to be separated from local government administrations currently seeking autonomy. Their complaint, among other things, is that their salaries, allowances and other welfare package are not considered under the package, a concern the state governor promised to look into.
We want to be placed either under the state government or the federal government. Otherwise, we should be given back our impact. National Primary Education Commission, where our salaries are deducted directly from the source. At that time, we are not facing problems of promotion. At that time, we are not crying about yearly increment. At that time, we are not talking about salaries not being paid. So we are afraid. The system is shaking, and the future of our children is in danger.
Salary is not an issue. It's your welfare that matters as far as I'm concerned. So we have to see that all the salary has been paid. I've already discussed with the leader. He knows before I travel for the message. Once the federal government is doing what they're supposed to do, we have to, of course, pay your salaries.